Welcome traders, welcome to Precious Pips. So let's start with today's analysis. Today is Monday, September 15th, and today we don't have any news event. This week is going to be super important. Okay, on Tuesday we have the retail sales, on Wednesday we have the federal funds rate, FOMC economic projections, FOMC statement. So this week is very important. And on Thursday we have the unemployment claims. Okay traders, so continues Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday we have news, and today we don't have news. So let's start with our analysis. Here you can see traders, gold drifts higher to near 3650 as Fed is expected to cut rates. The yellow metal gains traction as a weakening US labor market reinforces expectations that the Federal Reserve will deliver its first rate cut of the year this week. So as you can see, first rate cut of the year this week. So this is super important traders. So make sure you don't miss this wonderful trading opportunity. And also if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, so make sure you join our Telegram channel for live short updates. Okay, so there I provide you short analysis videos live. So this was our yesterday analysis, I mean last trading day Friday analysis, and I told you traders this was the only resistance, and market took that resistance, and also we hit our liquidity level. Okay, so if you need pinpoint analysis, join our Telegram channel. So there I update live short videos. Okay traders, so okay, this is the chart of yesterday, and I'll delete this now, and let's move on to monthly. So let's have a look at monthly time frame, how the market is performing. Okay, so as you can see traders, the candle is really bullish, and we have 15 days to go for this monthly candle. And weekly candle, okay, so weekly candle traders, as you can see, this candle was shorter than this previous candle, but it was a very good bullish candle. At the end of the candle we saw some bearish momentum. So let's move on to daily. Okay traders, so as you can see, past 4 days we are consolidating, we are sideways. Okay, so market is building that liquidity for the news. Okay, so as you can see, my Wednesday federal funds rate, as I've already shown you. Okay, so we have the first rate cut of this year this week. Okay, so this week is very important. So let's move on to today's analysis. So this is today's chart, and as you can see, from the past 4-5 days the market is consolidating. Okay, so let's see what happens today. Today we don't have any news event, and first we will draw our trend line, and then I'll explain you the levels. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame we'll draw our trend line. As you can see, this is our first trend line, so you need to just copy. Okay, so this is the first trend line. As you can see, price was following this trend line. Okay, and in future the price did not follow through the trend line, it made a new trend line. Okay, so this will be the new trend line. Okay traders, so this is our new trend line. Okay, so here you can see, this is just for visual reference. Okay, nothing else. So first the price was following this trend line, and after this breakout, okay, after the 3400 breakout, as you can see, after the 3400 breakout, the price started following this trend line. As you can see, 1 2 3. Okay, and now this trend line, price break this trend line. Okay, so let's zoom in. So price break past this trend line, and also I have marked today the weekly range. Okay, so previous week range, as you can see here, this is the previous week high, previous week low, and now we will mark the daily also. Okay traders, so as you can see, this is the daily, so I'll mark daily as purple. Okay, so you remember this color, you can draw, you can use any color just for you to remember. Okay, so this is done. Okay traders, So let's come to 1 hour time frame. So very simple analysis, traders. Okay, so this is the all-time high. Okay, remember this is the all-time high. So our previous week high is our all-time high. And also I will provide you all the liquidity levels on my Telegram channel only. Okay, so you will get short analysis video on my Telegram channel. So link is in the description. Okay, traders. So as you can see, in the Asian session we break past this trend line. Okay, and also we liquidated the previous day low, and we had the liquidity from this chart I have shown you. Okay, that we took that liquidity, we took the previous day low liquidity, and now we are going up. Okay, so same scenario, we have just break past the trend line, so price is retracing. Okay, so price is retracing little bit, and on the 4 hour time frame, so price is continuously creating those sellers. Okay, price is continuously creating those sellers from this level. From this level, price continuously creating those sellers. Okay, traders. And on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see now, this trend line is important. Now we are going to take that retracement. Okay, already we have break past the trend line. Now after this liquidity hunt, after both the liquidity hunt, we are going above to take some retracement, and maybe we can continue, or else if we break past this level, then we are expecting the all-time high. But today we don't have any news event. So what market will be doing? Market will be building the liquidity. So you need to be very careful today. If you don't trade today, that's not a problem, because we have continued news events on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So this week is very important trading week. Okay, traders. So you don't enter long positions like big targets. You just expect 50 to 100 pips or max 120 pips. Okay, so don't expect big levels. And okay, traders, so this is the only analysis for today, and now we are retracing and we can continue again, and this is the only resistance we have. Okay, so once this resistance is done, then we will be targeting more all-time highs. Okay, so today market is building that liquidity for the upcoming news events. So you be careful and you join our Telegram channel for the live updates. Okay, so I'll update you live on my Telegram channel only. So link is in the description, traders. Okay, I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, peace out.